Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to today's video. Let me guess, you're here because you've been scouring the web for solutions to feel confident in your favorite outfits again, right? Trust me, I get it. Shedding weight isn't easy. Been through it myself, and let's be real, indulging in delicious food is way too tempting, making those extra pounds sneak up on us. But guess what? There's something exciting I want to share. Mitolyn, a dietary supplement that's been a game changer for thousands striving for sustainable weight loss. Now, we're not talking quick fixes here. Mitolyn focuses on healthy transformation, melting stubborn fat, boosting metabolism, and keeping those calories from overstaying their welcome. Just one small daily capsule packs a punch with 6 powerhouse ingredients like rhodiola rosea, maca berry, and amla, aka Indian gooseberry. These aren't just fancy names, they're science-backed elements that supercharge your mitochondria, the energy hubs in your cells. When these thrive, your body burns fat more efficiently, turning stored energy into lasting results. Quick heads up, if you're thinking of trying Mitolyn, always buy from the official site, link below. Avoid sketchy knockoffs, your safety and results matter. Plus, it's backed by a 90-day refund policy. No risk, all reward. And let's chat confidence. Carrying extra weight can dim your spark. It's natural to feel self-conscious. But imagine flipping that script. With Mitolyn, you're not just losing weight, you're reclaiming self-love. Ready to start this journey? Click the link, grab the authentic product, and step into your healthiest chapter yet. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you next time. Stay awesome.